If you have hard water buildup on your shower head, one great way to remove it is tie a Ziploc bag with vinegar in it and let it soak overnight. But if you don't have that availability, CLR, it's for calcium, lime, and rust. CLR spray it all up and scrub it all off. So let it sit a few minutes and then scrub it off, and it works great to remove hard water buildup on your shower head.
Thanks for checking out my video. I hope you liked it. If you did, comment below. Or if you have any questions, comment below. I would love to hear from you and love to share more eco-oily cleaning tips. So don't forget, like, subscribe, love, share, follow along. I'm on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, and YouTube, and my website, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. See you soon. Stay crunchy, fat, clean. Peace.